Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to focus on something that everyone would be interested in if you're working from home. How can you create home offices that really work for you and you can create true focus and productivity? Since the pandemic, working from home has become such a big thing and it's beautiful because you have flexibility. But as everything else in life goes back to quote unquote normal and things are happening, I have heard people say how they've been losing focus from working from home. Definitely, I had that. I had my own office space in my home. Now I have an actual office space in a commercial location because it wasn't working for me. Why? Because I couldn't get this type of space I needed. But other people can make it work in their home. So, for instance, say you have a guest room that you are also doubling up as your office space. We can make that space work with furniture, like ergonomic furniture to make you feel comfortable for you to focus and be productive. Desks that go up and down. Also, understanding what works for you. Do you need natural light? Do you need all quiet or you need some background noise to help you focus? This also goes into if you have like ADHD and other elements. Understanding that makes me think what solutions could go work for you. So maybe we need a very dark room for you to work in just because that's the type of atmosphere you need, or you need those bright lights so that specific room has more of that commercial cold light while everywhere else in your home is the warm light that we all like to feel comfortable, as well as like being by windows or not. And sound wise, I've definitely had clients say that they like white noise, so sometimes having their laundry room right next to their office so they can hear that hum of the machines going helps them focus, weirdly enough. But other people need super quiet spaces, or they don't want other people to hear their conversations on their Zoom calls. We're going to make sure that room is highly acoustically insulated, and we can use artistic elements like felt walls to have something decorative, but also helps you absorb the sound as you're talking. So all of this to say, it can be done. You can make the perfect workspace from home. And it all takes to understand what you need and me telling you what elements could be the perfect solution for your issues. So hope this was helpful, and feel free to give me a shout out or a call to let me know if you have more questions on this topic. And remember to reach out to Dream Select Realty if you're looking for a new property that will have space for you to build this comfy office space.
Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of designing construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.